So as you know, if you're a Vapormax fan, you know that the Vapormax 2021 was released earlier on this year in June. And Nike kicked it off with the triple black anthracite colorway. Now, recently, they've released this woman version, which is black, white, and metallic silver. And I think this colorway is what they should have released in the first place. Before we go into the main part of the review of this particular colorway, I want to talk about the comfort of this trainer. Now, I've had the anthracite triple black Vapormax colorway for several months now, and I've worn it, let's say 2, 3, maybe 4 times. And one particular time I wore it to Blue Water. So I don't know if anyone UK wise you will know what Blue Water is. US wise you probably won't, but it's a shopping centre, and essentially I was there majority of the day, and I found that my foot was not screaming at all. It was very comfortable. I had no issues. I didn't have the foot fatigue that I get with the original Vapormax. So the first Vapormax, I kind of get this foot fatigue, the strain, which is on the middle part of my arch, and it's most likely because of stabilization or trying to stabilize the heel and the midfoot. With these particular trainers and the way the outsole is designed, it feels very stable and very comfortable straight out the box. So I must say that first thing, true to size, is a good fit. Now, I do see some people put on this trainer and I see a, let's say, excess material. So I'm not sure if this is due to the way the fly knit is designed, but I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you can see this ripple. Now, I don't like that. I don't think that's a good look, but I'm assuming because of the fly knit and how it's knitted together, is inevitable. You can't do anything. If you look very carefully, you can see there's some stitching here. You can see that, and that is to do with this bit around the heel, so around the Achilles heels. Can you see this? So can you see that? So this is to give to get that secure foot in, to reduce play when you put on the shoe. So I'm assuming that's what tugging on the material, which is giving that, let's say, excess look. In my other video, the triple black anthracite video that I done of the Vapormax, I did mention about the £200 price tag. In the US is probably in the region of $200 or a bit more, but in the UK it's £200, and £200 is a lot of money for a pair of trainers. And I feel that this Vapormax is definitely no different to the Vapormax 2020. The main difference is to do with the way the trainer laces up. So the 2020 has the mechanism and there was a pull at the back, and this particular trainer don't have the pull. I didn't particularly like the Ease Tech. I thought to myself, yeah, it just looks. Now, if you look at it in the sense of complexity, in the sense of amount of items on the trainer, you would think that the 2020 should be more expensive than these, because essentially they've substituted the mechanism for laces and 2 strips. So laces and 2 strips, that's not worth an additional 20 quid. So I think Nike is trying to pull our legs here, and they're just throwing that on. I know this is the flagship trainer, you know, but it's a bit too expensive. I think it should have been in the region of 160, 180, or should have matched the 2020 price, which is 180. This sneaker is the women's version, so it only goes up to a size 9. So if you're unlucky that you surpass the size 9, I think you might get a 9.5 if you look hard enough. But if you surpass the size 9, unfortunately you won't be able to get this particular colorway. But if you're fall within it, then this is a good colorway to have in your collection. Personally, as I said, in terms of the triple black, My expectation when I first saw the triple black was this, in terms of how dark the black is. Can I have a look? But what we got is a anthracite with the outsole being dark. You got the TPU being dark, and then you got the grey, darkish anthracite grey. They did give a triple black, but it wasn't absolute black. You still can see the greyness. Now, not saying I didn't like it, because I did, but I was expecting this in terms of the colorway. As you can see, this is a proper black. And what I do like is the contrasting tick, and you have the embroidery that goes around the tick, which is in white, and then you got the black Nike within, I'm not sure what material this is, but it's got speckles in it. In terms of the fly knit, it's still using the recycled industrial yarn, and you can see the speckles. If you look closely, you can see like yellow, blue. There's no red speckles, it's just yellow, blue. So I'm not sure if they actually purposely made sure that there was no other odd colors. So it actually kind of goes, I'm assuming this is to keep it dark, but yeah, it looks very nice, very neat. Laces are obviously black round that towards the bottom part, and then flat towards where you tie it up. You have the Vapormax logo on the tongue. You have the Nike tick on the pull tab at the back. You have the additional cushioning within the heel part, you know, which is hugging the Achilles part of your heel. Then you got the TPU with the Vapormax at the back, and then you got the toe guard, which is dark as well, which is black. Yeah, I think overall this is a really nice colorway. The only thing I would have changed personally is the outsole clear transparent look. I think if this was the same color as the anthracite, this is the one that I thought should have come out first of all. However, I can get on with it. I can definitely get on with the transparent, and I still think it's a good looking trainer. I do think this is the better colorway, but you let me know below if you think this is better than the anthracite triple black, or you think the anthracite triple black is better than this colorway. But me personally, and I'll show you on foot, I think this is definitely a better look than the anthracite. Don't get me wrong, it's close. Hold on, bear with me. Black, white, metallic silver. Anthracite, black, white, metallic silver. Anthracite, black, white, metallic silver. Tell me, which one do you think? If the embroidered part of the tick was black as well, my gosh.
Oh gosh.
Girl in the start rush me.
Whoa gosh.
Girl in my rush pushing me.
Whoa gosh.
Girl in my rush my teeth.
Whoa gosh.
That sets it off, man. This is that Darth Vader look. You let me know which one you think is better. But to be honest, I do like both of them, but I just like the dark black. Overall, I think as a trainer, so forget that this is a woman trainer, overall as a sneaker, I still think this is a good looking sneaker, but I don't think that the Vapormax itself blew up like, you know, on this release, like the previous iterations. Maybe because of there's so many other trainers that are out there, or maybe because their price tag. I definitely think in terms of me having two trainers which are classed as black, I think both of them work for me. I can rock both of them, no problem, no issue at different times. But winter wise, I'll probably have to park them up, bring them out next summer. Alright, let me know what you think. Again, it'll be interesting to see your view on the two blacks, the triple black and the black white metallic. It'll be interesting to see your view on what you think. Also, it'll be interesting to understand your view on the price point. If Nike should drop the price a bit more. You guys, you let me know if you would buy the Vapormax. I've been Obi, this has been Sneaky Peeks. Comment, like, subscribe if you're still here. And like that, I'm gone.